Welcome back to Scale Bodge Not Built. So in this episode of What We're Bodging, we're going to have a look at what I've been getting up to in July. To be honest, only really one thing that I've been doing, which was the custom lunchbox that I did. Poppy's lunchbox, we called it. I'll put some pictures up now, and you can see that, and there'll also be the link to the video. If you haven't seen that, go and have a look. That featured some custom 3D parts. So we put a number plate on it, but we personalised it with his name and exhaust as well. I've also been working on some caliper mounts for the TT-01. Very similar to the TT-01 Type E. But as you can see, there's more material on the E than there is on the original. So if these are fitted, they may need securing with a bit of super glue or something as well, just to make them a tighter fit. Speaking of TT-01, we've got TT-01E, which we're going to be using to test the 3D printed wheels. Needs a little bit of work, so I'm going to have to replace the front gearbox housing, as one of the body mount positions is broke. So we'll get that replaced, give it a clean up, give it a service, swap out the receiver and the speed controller, and we'll go from there. Yes, I know you're probably all sick of seeing the Brat still not painted, but I decided I was going to remove the four-wheel drive logos from each side because that one was raised. It just got sanded off, whereas the other side needed filled. So that's now ready for a bit of primer and then potentially paint. That's about it for this month. Like I say, the main focus was getting the custom lunchbox done. Haven't really had a chance to sit down and do much else, but hopefully we'll get some more progress on the other projects this month. See you in the next one.